It's the gold
Technique, quick dude, move swift. Foot on their neck, I got on cool kicks. Bought it, sold it right away, that's a quick flip. I ain't new to this, bitch nigga, I'm true to this. I was already lit, then they gassed me. Fuck around, burn the building down on accident. I'm on my new wave, you try to get up on this motherfucker, that's another tsunami catastrophe. Read over your lines, you wanna act with me. Go ahead, play the victim, you don't have a stunt double. Wrap this up in one take. We need it done before we go on lunch break. Slowly I've been changing up the game. Manipulate the rules to my own advantage. Track after track, they say I'm stat padding. When they come to this recording, I'm the best at it. Yeah, that's an open challenge. Open mic, matter of fact, drop the mic. Another bomb I done drop without. Another bomb I done drop without trying. Yeah, well that time is here. Catch them off guard, don't make the best pictures. Yeah, I tried to warn them, but they don't read the scriptures. No need for a label, nigga independent. Corporate, when I stand on business. No briefcase, but I handle business. All eyes on me, everybody witnessing. Ears to the streets, I be tuned in, listening. Yeah, them I thought we was cool, they sneak dissing me. Backstabbing snake niggas ain't a friend of me. When you see me, please keep that same energy. Act brand new, I'm gon' refresh your fucking memory. Crash out, hit the gas, smash off. Hit the gas, pass out, you left for dead, assed out. Yeah, clout the last thing I'm worried about. I don't believe it unless it comes from the horse's mouth. I'm on a whole other paper route, multiple bank accounts. Hard to leave a trail when you cashing out. Gun on me like it's part of my fashion now. No longer spitting bars, it's the after hours.